Dear viewers, welcome to my channel, World of Civil Engineering. Today I am going to discuss about how to estimate or estimation of brick wall. Firstly, we have to calculate the volume of brick wall. Let the size of brick wall length L equal to 4 meter, height 3 meter, thickness equal to 0.2 meter. Volume of brick wall equal to length into height into thickness equal to 4 into 3 into 2 equal to 2.4 meter cube. Now number of bricks required. Let brick size equal to 190 mm into 90 mm into 90 mm without mortar according to BIS. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Estimation of brick wall. Brick size equal to 200 mm into 100 mm into 100 mm with mortar, considering minimum mortar thickness equal to 10 mm. Volume of one brick with mortar equal to 200 mm into 100 mm into 100 mm equal to 0.2 meter into zero point 0.1 meter into zero point 0.1 meter equal to 0.002 meter cube. Now bricks required equal to volume of brick wall divided by volume of one brick with mortar equal to 2.4 divided 0.002 equal to 1200 nodes. Estimation of brick wall. Now we need to calculate the quantity of mortar. Quantity of mortar equal to volume of brick wall minus volume of brick without mortar equal to 2.4 minus 1200 into 0.19 into 0.09 into 0.09 equal to 0.5532 meter cube. This is the wet volume of mortar. We need to convert it to dry volume. For this, dry volume of mortar equal to coefficient of dry volume into wet volume equal to 1.33 into 0.5532 equal to 736 meter cube. Estimation of brick wall. Now we are going to calculate the quantity of cement. Let the ratio of mortar equal to cement is to sand equal to 1 is to 4. Sum of ratio equal to 1 plus 4 equal to 5. Cement required সমান ratio of cement ভাগ sum of ratio into dry volume of mortar equal to 1 divided 5 into 0.736 equal to 0.1472 meter cube equal to 1.1472 into 1440. 1 meter cube cement equal to 1404 kg equal to 212 kg equal to 4.25 bag because 1 bag cement equal to 50 kg. Now we have to calculate the quantity of sand. Sand required equal to ratio of sand divided by sum of ratio into dry volume equal to 4 divided 5 into 0.736 equal to 0.59 meter cube. Finally, we have the summary of estimation. We needed bricks 1200 nodes, cement 4.25 bag, and sand 0.59 meter cube. Thanks for watching.